Okay, so in part A, let's first draw a quadrilateral. Okay, and then I'm going to put my point E maybe over here. So this is my point E. And now I want to draw a line segment from E to each vertex. So vertex number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we want to find the sum of the 4 angles at point E. So angle 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this is going to form a circle. So all of the angles added up together must equal 360 degrees. So the sum of the 4 angles must equal 360. So now in part C, we want to find the sum of all the interior angles of the 4 triangles. So let's look at this top triangle first. We know that the interior angles all have to add up to 180 degrees. So this angle plus this angle plus this angle must be 180 degrees. And that's the case for each of these triangles. So that's the rule for all triangles. So all of these angles added together, this triangle, this triangle, this triangle, and this triangle would be 180 degrees times by 4, since there's 4 triangles. We get 720 degrees. And then in part D, we want to show the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So in part C, we added up all of the angles here, including the ones in the middle. So in order to find just these angles out here, which would be the angles of the quadrilateral, we can subtract these middle angles. And we found those middle angles to be 360 degrees. So we do 720 minus 360, and we get 360 degrees. So this shows us that the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees.